I don't have that contradictory feeling. I don't. So, you know,
I do.
I know. Rick does. I don't feel proprietary about nature ever. I just don't.
Yeah, I respect what he's saying.
Yeah, and I respect why people want to keep things the way they are and keep them quiet and gentle and soft. But I think when people respect nature, or at least I hope when people respect nature, and that's not a lot of people always, that nature can accommodate us, whatever that us is. You know, and you know my cousin has come up from New Jersey, and Jim comes down from Pine Hill, and you know, they love it. And why not share that? Because it's such a self-selecting group. I mean, there just aren't that many people who skate. We've been skating here for 10 years, and it's the same, is there 20 people who skate here that are regulars at most?
Right. I was riding my bike back from Lenny B's or whatever.
Yeah.
And all the cars, all the parking spot over there, all the cars were in there. Plus there was like 4 or 5 cars parked along the side of the other side of the road.
Yep.
And I just said, that's too much. That is just too much. And I think that was like my one thing.
I remember we spoke about that.
Yeah, that when this one weekend, a good ice skating weekend, where I don't think there was as many cars there as for whatever reason.
But there were a bunch. There were probably 7 or 8,
but
right?
I just thought it was just too much. And again, I do respect the way, and I have other friends that they want to open up lands, you know, for everybody. And since I live here and I've come to like have my way of living and like some nice solitude and stuff in some various areas, the way they want to open it up is possibly going to just change things forever. I mean, because some of these things we're not talking about here, you know, once you go to that next level, it's never going back.
Maybe. I sort of feel like we live in the Catskill Forest Preserve. We have 600,000 acres of land, right? I almost never see anybody on any of it, ever. I've run into a couple of mushroom foragers once, not you, but, you know, and a couple of hikers, you know?
Yeah.
But that's it. We're just trying to solve a problem that doesn't exist.
Right.
And I also don't want to create a problem too and make it feel overrun and where there's garbage or whatever, some kind of disrespectful behavior. But I just haven't felt like there's an overpopulation issue happening here.
Okay.
So we quite respectfully disagree. But I know where you're coming from, and you know where I'm coming from.